Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2011 Ford F150 XLT. This is a fuse box. This is the one that you replaced it, right?
Yes.
This one here, the problem on this, that the signal is not working. The left side signal rear is not working. We put a used one. It's here, right? Is this area, right? In this area here. You're gonna move this here, you put it, and after you put it, it will not work. So what you need to do, you have to do either ignition key code erase or parameter reset. If the used one is the same part number, same part number, after you put it in, configuration system, please wait 10 minutes, or you need configuration. Oh, it's configuring now. Reset. Okay, you just did the parameter reset. What about? Okay. Yeah, are you sure you're gonna get it? Because 10 minutes, you want me to give you a charger?
Yeah, no, I
can bring it to you. Okay. You're gonna go to the engine side, or you go to the immobilizer?
The immobilizer.
Immobilizer parameter reset. Yeah. Okay. Before the signal is not working. The whole problem was that the signal is not working. The signal here and the brake was not functioning. When you put it in, we're gonna do the parameter reset and the programming. Let's see what happened. Okay, now we finished the 10-minute what they call 10-minute parameter reset. Say learning successful. Click next. Click here. Okay, that's it. Turn the key off. But I don't know if the remote will not work. But if the car is started, then we do the remote.
We need 2 keys.
Ignition is on. Turn it off. Do it again. Security is here.
What?
The driver, maybe need 2 keys. Get another key.
Shackle?
Not only parameter reset, you need to do the key too.
Or master key?
Yeah, you need to do key. Yeah, you're not gonna be a key.
Number of keys.
See, because this key is not written. Yeah, but this key is not.
Add key.
Is not. Yeah. Because this key is not. This key is not registered to the car, because it's not registered to the body control module. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it just like, if you take it, okay. If it's not, you're gonna do ignition key code erase and program. So we add the key holder now. How many keys we have holder? 4. The number of the keys, is 4. Yes. So everything is good. The guy is there. The guy is in the phone.